Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to save photos and videos automatically on the email app. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your email application, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is how can you download the email app? Head over to Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type email and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. Now, after installing the email application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. And whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on email. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to save photos and videos automatically on the email app. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture. Click on that and it takes you right into this window where you have a couple of features, which include switch account, security and privacy, settings, email voice, game center, my files, iBubble, share email, help and feedback. Now I'd like you to click on settings. Now once you click on settings, it takes you over here where you have notifications, functions, storage and data, language, display mode, account and security, manage devices, and about. Go ahead and click on storage and data and it takes you over here. Now under the chats category, you have a couple of more features which include auto save after receive, auto save after send, and photo upload quality. Now for you to save photos and videos automatically when you receive them, so go ahead and click on this auto save after receive. Now it's already on, right? So let's say it has been toggled off. It means autosave has been toggled off. But if you want it to be saved automatically, then you need to toggle on photos, toggle on videos. So it means photos and videos received from contacts will be saved to your phone's gallery automatically. This is what it just means. So toggle it off if you do not want it, toggle it on if you want it. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.